Hi everyone! Today I'm trying out Korean street cart fish cake soup you can easily enjoy at home. Inside the package, you'll find 2 hearty fish cake skewers and 2 rice cake skewers. Pour 4 cups of water into a pot and add all the included soup powder. Once the broth starts to smell savory, add all the skewers and simmer for about 6 minutes. I'm adding some udon noodles to make it a heartier bowl of Pocha-style fish cake udon. Finish with a sprinkle of pepper and some chopped green onions for that classic street food vibe. One sip of the broth and it instantly brings back the feeling of a cozy night at a Korean food stall. The udon noodles are nice and chewy, and the fish cakes are springy with flavor soaked all the way through. The broth is light and refreshing, making it hard to stop at just one bite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another tasty, simple K meal.